Hi there, students. A slippery slope, or the slippery slope. This talks about a bad action or situation or habit that once it's started, it's likely to get much worse. So, if a reformed alcoholic has one drink, he's on the slippery slope. It's very probable that he will end up again drinking and he will no longer be reformed. If you give up smoking and you're at a party and you accept one cigarette and you say it's just one, then maybe you're on the slippery slope back to smoking again. You're on a slippery slope if you start lying about your age, because you have to lie about other things and it just gets worse and worse and ends up in more and more and more lies. So the slippery slope, this is talking about a chain of events. Once it's started, it can be very difficult or impossible to stop. And the final outcome of this is very undesirable. It's not a good outcome. Yeah. This is like basing your actions on the thought that you take one action, you get on a slippery slope, and that's going to get you into trouble. It may or may not be true, but slippery slope, this is what it's implying. Yeah, so a situation or an action which will eventually lead to a worse form of it, or a really disastrous situation. If you're on a diet, one piece of cake could put you onto the slippery slope that leads you to completely abandoning your diet. A dangerous pathway, a dangerous thing to do, a dangerous route that leads to trouble. Some people think that euthanasia is a slippery slope where the conditions to kill someone are reduced and reduced and reduced. So it's a dangerous course of action that can easily lead to catastrophe. Yeah, you're on the slippery slope again. The company started borrowing money to cover its losses, and it soon realized it was on a slippery slope because it had to pay interest on the money, and then it made bigger losses, and it just got worse and worse. Maybe if a youngster steals something in a shop, they may be on the slippery slope to criminality. Maybe not though. Yeah. Okay, we even have such a thing as a slippery slope argument. Yeah, this is something in logic or even in law or political rhetoric that where somebody asserts, they say that a relatively small step can lead to a big chain of events that culminates in something significantly bad. Yeah? Okay, so the slippery slope, if you do this little thing, you will end up with total disaster. And this is the idea of a slippery slope argument. There are several problems with that, because maybe firstly they don't show directly that A leads to B leads to C leads to D leads to disaster. Yeah, and there may well be many other outcomes, and therefore it's not totally true. So yeah, you should learn a bit of English every day. If you stop for several days, you're probably on the slippery slope to giving up yeah, to stopping learning English. Okay, so notice to slip, you slip, whoop, and your foot slips underneath you. So what about formality for this idiom, on the slippery slope? I think I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. Yeah, so go ahead. Yeah, it's talking about maybe a snowball effect or a situation aggravating, becoming worse, making matters worse and worse. And then the origin, well, it's like you take one step on a slope, an inclination that's slippery or maybe icy. And once you're on it, then you start to slip downwards more and more. And that's the idea of it. Okay, so the slippery slope, a noun. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The slippery slope.